welcomes you to a world where brute force meets bad luck. These tractors weren't built to fail. But today they do. Flips, stalls, and chaos you have to see to believe. This isn't farming, it's survival. Let the battle begin. Here comes Mr. Zetor, who literally believes he is the king of the hill. One giant flip for this tractor, one small slope for mankind. Gravity gave him a dirty hug and whispered, "Not today, buddy." Don't worry, people. Our driver is safe and is most likely just reevaluating his life decisions. In the meantime, the rescue crew is receiving a complimentary tractor yoga session. A friendly tractor race, that's how it all began. Everyone was smiling until someone remembered the legendary quote, "Winning is optional," but what no one told him was, flying is forever. He hits the turn, loses control, and suddenly we're watching Tractor Olympics Freestyle Flipping Edition. The man jumps out mid-roll like a professional stuntman yelling, "Catch me if you can!" But just when it seemed like all hope was lost, he regains control like a boss. The green tractor's making a grand entrance, like it's auditioning for a superhero movie. Wait, is he seriously trying to drift on wet pavement? Somebody tell him this isn't Fast and Furious Farm Edition. And there it is, boom! The tire explodes like it just gave up on life. Even the traffic cones are diving for cover. They saw it coming before we did. This fail is classic physics 101. The weight distribution was way off, the barrels weren't properly secured or balanced, and the ramp? Slippery and unstable. You need proper pontoons or flat barges for something this heavy, not some backyard barbecue barrels. This is why recovery needs careful planning. Angle, tension, weight distribution. One wrong move and your rescue becomes another rescue. Everything was going smoothly on the farm until the tractor decided to show off its turning skills. With one sharp turn, boom, there goes the trolley full of carrots. Well, that's one way to feed the whole field again. If you laughed, gasped, or yelled, "Why?" at your screen, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and smash that bell icon like a tractor hits a ditch. Got a favorite fail? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, remember, farm smart, not fast.